break it down. If you have a problem you can't solve, break it until it's small. Yeah, that makes sense. I need to break it down to get rid of this bug. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I should be able to solve that bug now. I think, yeah. I don't know, this bug is not really solving. My name is Chris, and you're watching Disney Channel. Was that what I was supposed to say? If you're new, we talk all about programming on this channel, and if it sounds lame, yeah, it's kind of lame. Just subscribe, guys, you won't regret it, maybe. Today, we are looking at some terrible tips that I found on how to programming tips online, and I got my laptop right here, and we're going to be looking over some tips so you guys can get better, know what to not do when programming. I don't know. Let's just get into it. Okay, 29 behaviors that will make you an unstoppable programmer. Use Google very aggressively. Okay. Yep. Yeah, I see why they say that. That actually makes sense. If it's really that easy, everyone should be able to work at Google and Facebook and Microsoft. Damn, this guy knows what he's talking about. As developers, we use Google literally all the time. It's almost like developers don't even know how to code. You just look it up as you go, and you kind of pray for the best that you find the answer online. I mean, I'm using Google literally all the time, like every 10 seconds. People think that programmers are just on their code pad, their text editor, whatever, their IDE, and they're just coding all the time, never leaving that screen. But we spend about 20% of the time on the text editor and about 80% of the time on Google looking up why we just got that bug. All right, here's the second tip. Say I don't know. That seems like really helpful advice because I feel like I don't know most of the time about anything. You guys have that feeling, right? All right, let's try this out. Let's try it. Say I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you have to say it 3 times, like Beetlejuice. I don't know. I don't know? Okay, maybe I'm just saying it wrong. Let's go back and try again. There's no quicker way to waste your time as a developer than to refuse to acknowledge what you don't know. Okay, the directions are pretty vague, so I don't know. I think I'm just, I said it again. I think I'm just saying it wrong, and maybe that you have to be a skilled programmer to use these tips. Keep that one in your tool belt, saying I don't know. It might work for you. All right, so here's another programming tip that you really need to keep in your tool belt, and it's love the error. If you feel intimidated by all the red, you're not alone, okay? I'm actually trying to read the instructions this time on how to use this magic keyword. Once I understand exactly what is happening step by step, then I can compare. All right, enough reading. We're just gonna try it. Love the error. Okay. Do you, Chris, take this error to be your lawfully wedded wife? I do. Loving the error is a good tip. If you're never using this as a tip, you don't need to marry the error, even though now I'm married, so my girlfriend might get pretty mad. You should be a ghost-busting, bug-hunting, error-killing machine. If you get these errors, you hunt them down, and we end them. You shouldn't love them. You should embrace them, yeah, for sure. But loving them? Not really. That's no. Just no. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, here's a tip. Here's what you should do for learning how to code. If I want to start freelancing as a front-end developer in 6 months, yeah, I'd like to make money. All right, so month 1, learn coding and web dev fundamentals. Got it. That's specific. Month 2, learn and practice HTML and CSS. Okay, isn't that web dev coding? So aren't those the same? Anyway, let's just move on to month 3. Launch your portfolio website. And then after month 3 is month 4, learn and practice JavaScript. I'm gonna launch my portfolio website with just HTML and CSS. Okay, I don't need any functionality in my buttons. People just need to look at them. It just has to look pretty. That's how you get a job. Why learn how to code when you can have a website? Yeah, that makes sense. Learn to code after you make your website. And then right after that, just sign up and start looking for gigs. Right, and you're good. You're making money if you follow these exact 6-month plan. This right here is the way you're gonna get rich and be able to freelance and be your own boss. 6 months, easy. He breaks it down for you. So simple. Wow, what a guy. All right, let's go to the next tip. All right, here's a good one. This is the last one I'm gonna do because I've already given you guys so much information. I'm just gonna reveal everything, and everyone online is gonna be mad at me because you guys aren't gonna buy tips anymore because you're gonna be the best programmers ever. So I can't really do any more after this, but let's get into this one. Okay, so I gotta play with the code to master it. Do I play fetch with the code? Tug of war? I have this ball here. Play with the code, right? Okay, so I think that worked. I do feel something different. I think that worked. Yeah, that's good. All right, guys. So those tips I did share with you, those are the best programming tips I've ever seen in my life. Keep them in your back pocket. Maybe bring a notepad around and just have those written down. So when you do get confused and you don't know what to do, you just reference the notebook and just know that I'm helping you. These tips that I'm giving you, they're the best tips you can get. Don't tell other people because we don't need too many really good programmers. We kind of want to stand out ourselves. So save these tips and keep them secret. That's basically all I got for you guys today. I didn't even know I was going to share this kind of personal stuff on my channel. If you guys did enjoy this video and you're feeling like Hulk, smash that like button and hit subscribe to never miss any more of this content. I mean, come on, guys. I literally just gave you all my best tips. You couldn't just subscribe for me? Okay. Until next time, guys.